Hi viewers, thank you for your support. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is overtaking or passing side distance. Also we can call it as what is OSD or what is a PSD. In this overtaking or passing side distance procedure and the derivation is very useful to all drivers. So they can understand how to take a overtaking and how to avoid the accident. Mostly overtaking or passing side distance will be designed in a two-lane, two-way road. Already we have discussed what is a two-lane, what is a two-way. Two-lane means one lane for the one direction, another lane for another directions. So this is called as a two-lane, two-way road. In this two-lane, two-way road, one vehicle is traveling uniform speed, the another vehicle is traveling the design speed. So the design speed is traveling, it is overtaking vehicle. Uniform speed traveling vehicle called as a overtaken vehicle. It is opposite direction vehicle. Some of the factors will decide overtaking or passing side distance. So these are the prime factors to decide overtaking side distance. The first factor is speed. The speed means we need to consider three vehicle speed. The first vehicle speed is overtaken vehicle. The second speed we need to consider overtaking vehicle, or we can call it as a slow moving vehicle speed. The third speed we need to consider the vehicle coming from opposite direction. So we need to consider three vehicle speed. This is the first factor. The second factor is the distance between overtaking and overtaken vehicle. We need to consider this distance. This is the second factor. The third factor is very important factor, skill and reaction time of the driver. The reaction time of the driver we have discussed in our second video. The skill of the driver is very important because all the drivers doesn't have the same skill, because based on the gender or based on the age group or based on the healthy condition, the skill of the driver may be vary, because it is an experience. Skill means it is an experience. Reaction time of the driver also vary, because based on the experience, the persiveness, the reaction time may be vary, the driver to driver skills. The fourth factor, rate of acceleration of overtaking vehicle. So we need to consider what is the rate the overtaking vehicle going to accelerate. The fifth factor is gradient, or we can call it as a slope of the road. Based on the condition of the road slope, the overtaking speed may be vary. This is the actual overtaking side distance or passing side distance arrangement at a road. So the vehicle A denotes overtaking vehicle traveling at design speed. The vehicle B denotes overtaken or slow moving vehicle with uniform speed. The vehicle C denotes the vehicle coming from opposite direction. So these are the three vehicles going to involve in the action of overtaking side distance or passing side distance. B is the overtaken or slow moving vehicle. That means the vehicle is moving slowly with uniform speed. So the A is the overtaken or overtaking vehicle moving design speed or fast speed as compared to overtaken vehicle or slow moving vehicle. Now the overtaking vehicle driver, that is a vehicle driver thinking to overtake a vehicle B, at the time he is thinking the possibilities of overtaking, whether the distance between the overtaking or overtaken vehicle is available or not, and what is the speed of the opposite vehicle. Like this, so many things are he is thinking. So this is called as a reaction time. Already we have discussed in the video 2 what is the reaction time. So the reaction time may be spread into 4 parts. One is the perception, that is the perceiving the distance or the situation availability in the road. The second is the interaction, how to take a overtaking, what are the possibilities, it is the interaction. Emotion is the applying of the overtaking action. So volition is the final action of the overtaking reactions. So this is the reaction time of the driver. During the reaction time of the vehicle A, the vehicle A may be travelled from this place to some other place. Same like that, during the reaction time of the driver A, the vehicle B also traveled from this position to some other distance. During reaction time of the overtaking vehicle, the vehicle traveled from A1 position to A2 position. Same like that, the overtaking vehicle traveled from B1 position to B2 position. Now the overtaking vehicle traveled from A2 position to A3 position during the actual overtaking time. The same time, the opposite vehicle traveled from C1 position to C2 position. Now we can understand what is the actual overtaking procedure. The D1 denotes distance traveled by overtaking vehicle A during the actual reaction time of the driver. So that is a T seconds from position A1 to A2. This is called as a D1 distance. The second one, the distance D2 denotes distance traveled by the vehicle A during the actual overtaking time, that is a T seconds, from A2 position to A3 position. The third one, the D3 denotes distance traveled by an upcoming vehicle from C1 to C2 position during the actual overtaking operation. Let us discuss the formula to calculate the overtaking side distance. First, the D1 denotes the distance traveled by the overtaking vehicle during the actual reaction time from A1 to A2 position. So, the D1 denotes VB multiplied by T seconds. VB denotes it is a velocity of the vehicle. T denotes reaction time of the driver. The unit denotes meter because it is a distance. The D1, we know that the distance traveled by overtaking vehicle from A1 position to A2 position. Now we can calculate the D2 distance, that is 2 times of S plus B, that is 2S plus B. The small b we can calculate, B is equal to small vb into capital T. Again the small vb, we know that it is a velocity of the vehicle B, that is the speed of the vehicle. The capital T denotes actual overtaking action time. The distance S will be calculated, S equal to 0.7 VB plus 6. The last D3 can be calculated, D3 equal to V multiplied by capital T. We know the V is design speed, the T means it is the actual overtaking time. So now calculate the capital T, that is the actual overtaking time. T is equal to square root of 4 times of S divided by A. The S, we know the distance of here and here. The A means acceleration of your vehicle. Then find the D3. D3 equal to capital V and multiplied by capital T. The V denotes the vehicle velocity or vehicle speed. The capital denotes the overtaking action time. Now we can able to calculate the overtaking side distance, that is the OSD is equal to summation of D1 plus D2 plus D3. This is called the overtaking side distance of unit meter. After calculating the overtaking side distance, that is the OSD is equal to D1 plus D2 plus D3. So you can draw the overtaking zone diagrams. In this overtaking zone diagram, the 3 times of OSD is the minimum distance required for overtaking operation. The 5 times of OSD is the maximum distance required for overtaking operation. This zone is called as an overtaking zone. Keep one signpost at the distance of OSD. So this signpost can inform to your driver the overtaking zone is available. Again, keep another signpost, that is signpost 2. You can keep at the distance of OSD. This signpost 2 will be informed to your driver the overtaking zone going to complete. the same like that, the opposite direction, keep one signpost before entrance of your overtaking zone, and before going to completion of your overtaking zone, keep another signpost too. It will inform the overtaking zone going to complete. So this is the arrangement of your overtaking zone diagram. Thank you viewers for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe and press the bell button. Share to your all friends.